what I would like to share with us is on the use of ATM card. The use of ATM card, what do I mean by that? ATM means automated teller machine. And we have a card that is being given to us that we use in order to get money from the ATM. As you can see, beside me here, we have the ATM machine. That is the picture of the ATM machine. And likewise here, we have the picture of ATM card. Now, if you look at the two, you surely remember what I'm talking about. The ATM machine, the ATM card. Now, if you want to transact, or let me say you want to get anything from the machine, that is from this machine, you actually use what we call the ATM card. Now, if you want to use the ATM card to get money from the machine, what are those safety tips you have to be very, very careful of? You have to put at the back of your mind whenever you are making all these transactions. Number one thing is this: report lost or stolen card immediately. If your ATM card is lost or stolen, please go to the financial institution immediately and report, so that they can help you to stop the transaction in the use of the ATM card. Now, one thing about that particular thing is that when you travel, maybe you register or you actually get your ATM card in a financial institution in Osogbo, for example, and you travel to Abuja. Now, if you travel to Abuja and you realize your card is lost or stolen, don't wait until when you come back to Osogbo before you now lodge the complaint at the financial institution in Osogbo. Just go to any branch in Abuja and make sure you lodge your complaint. They will help you to actually do something about the ATM, so that you will protect your account, protect the money you have in your account. That is number one thing. Number two thing is that don't write your PIN down. Memorize your PIN, which means if you have a PIN, don't actually write the PIN. You know, when you get a card, a new card, you'll be given a new PIN. When you're given a new PIN which is being sealed off, you tear it and you get the default PIN. The default PIN is 4 digits. You enter it and you change it to your own. Now, after changing it, please don't write that PIN on any surface or on any sheet. Make sure you memorize it. If you write it down and anybody gets hold of that particular information, they can use your card to withdraw your money. So you have to be very, very careful. Do very, very careful. Very, very careful. Another thing is that when you get to where you're going to withdraw your money, please make sure you cover up. Don't be so careless whenever you want to withdraw from the ATM machine. Cover it up so that someone behind you or beside you will not see what exactly you are doing. Don't let people know the amount you want to withdraw from the account. If people know about it, anything can happen. They can actually trace it to your residence. So, which means cover up. Don't let people know the amount you are withdrawing. Don't let people see the PIN you are going to press whenever you are making the transaction. Very, very important. Another thing is this: when you are using your ATM, please don't hold your ATM with your mobile phone. Your ATM card is very, very dangerous when you hold it with any electronics. You know, electronics has what we call magnet. Magnet can actually affect the ATM. When they are magnets, when you hold it with your phone or your any other ICT gadget for a long time, it will affect and it may not allow that particular ATM to function again. So very, very important. Please be very conscious of this. Don't hold it together with any of the ICT gadgets, most especially your mobile phone. Another thing is this: don't use the ATM machine in a dark area. If you want to withdraw your money and you can see ATM, you can see the area very dark, please don't go there to withdraw. Use another place. If you can use another place, that one will be very safe for you. So use where there is proper lighting. That is proper lighting. Then when there is proper light, then you can go there and make sure withdraw. So if you do that in a dark place, somebody might have been hiding somewhere that can actually get to you whenever you finish withdrawing and say, we'll bring that money and collect the money from you. So you have to be very, very careful. Don't withdraw in a dark area. Make sure you go to where there is proper light, and that will be very, very safe for you. And I would like to tell us, for those who have ATM card and those who maybe look at it as if, oh, I'm too tired, I can't go to the ATM machine, you give it to a friend or you give it to your brother or to your son or to your child to go and withdraw for you. It's not good. It's dangerous. Please, if you are careful with your ATM, do you know that particular person you are giving it to may be careless? So which means don't give your ATM to anybody. You are solely responsible for its use. Keep that ATM with you and make sure you are the only one using that ATM. Some other tips will come your way in the next feature on this particular Breakfast TV show. I would like to go for now, and next week, or let me say next time, I will come your way with the concluding part of the safety tips on ATM card. Thank you very much. My name is Akin Oladele. Saying bye for now.